Hey guys, so we're going to do a quick brow tutorial today, a natural brow using a few of my favorite products. We have the Kiss Top Brow Pencil and an angle brush. So we're going to start by brushing up the brow really lightly. Then we're going to do like a little line underneath of that brow and just kind of flick it out, right? We just want to make sure that the brow is completely filled in. So I'm using really small strokes to really give that brow a little bit more body, but I'm not overdrawing it too much. So now I'm just gonna go towards the center in the front of the brow, and we're gonna flick our pencil straight up, just mimicking those brow hairs in the front and trying to avoid that boxy look. Now I'm just gonna keep on drawing the brow. I'm gonna take the spoolie that's on the end of the brush, and I'm just gonna brush it through the brow just to distribute that pigment. Now we're gonna take a little bit of full coverage concealer. I'm using MAC Studio Finish Concealer with the angle brush and just do really light strokes to outline the bottom of the brow. And just move really slow when you do this. Try to apply a good amount of product and apply some pressure as you create that highlight. Now you don't have to go this light. You could use a concealer that's the same color as your client's complexion, or you can go 1 to 2 shades lighter. I flip my brush and then I pull down the concealer using the other side of the brush. That's why it's important to make sure that you put a nice amount of concealer just to create that really good highlight. As you get to the front of the brow, you actually want to create another line just connecting to the nose, just to elongate that brow so it doesn't look like it just started way back. So now we're just going to keep blending that down to the lid, and it's okay if it goes on the lid, it's fine. We're still going to use eyeshadow primer as well, but if you don't want to do eyeshadow, you can just do this part, blend it out, and use your just a regular powder over top of it. So now I'm just using an eyeshadow brush, blending brush, to blend out that color, just to give me a really nice even texture. This really helps too if you have a client that has discoloration on the eyelid. Now we're going to go back with our eyebrow pencil and just kind of reapply and sharpen up any edges or any spots that we missed before. You see, I'm just going over top of our brow really nicely. And as we get to the front hairs, we always want to go up. Sometimes I use my finger to kind of blend out that area as well. And voila! We have our brow. Very nice.